Snap your fingers and close your eyes, and Howard Gardens, Cardiff, nestled in the heart of the city, will enchant you with its charm and comfort. Take your pick from a variety of ensuites where each room offers a private bathroom and the convenience of a shared kitchen. Perfect for cooking up a storm with your roommate. Weekends are a blast here. Gather your friends for a binge watch of Friends on TV, or catch your favorite flick in the cinema room. Let loose your inner rock star in the karaoke room and challenge your pals to a game in the game zone. And for those crucial exam days, the study room offers a peaceful environment to hit the books and concentrate. With elite colleges like the University of South Wales and King's Moncton School nearby, you can head home for a quick nap between classes. On weekends, unwind with a sundowner at the Central Bar, JD Wetherspoon, or satisfy your caffeine cravings at Lee's Tea. Plus, bid adieu to commute hassles with Longcross Street bus stop and Cathay's train station, located conveniently close. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Book your room now at amberstudent.com and begin your adventure at Howard Gardens.